How are you, my dear classic English version students? You have known everyone. We are select our new topics. Here's the new topics. It's also the interesting topics, the outer space and satellite. In the previous class, I have also explained about the outer space. Where does the outer space begin, etc., etc. And it was the lesson 1. Today I have just selected our new topics. Here's the new topics is the universe, how the universe is defined. In the previous class I have just also explained short briefly what's the meaning of the universe and how the universe is defined. My dear students, now I have explained about the universe. Here's Please everyone see the boards. I have just drawn the earth and the solar system. Here's the solar system. It has also the middle layer and it's also the sun, the main thing. Now, how the universe is defined. The universe is composed of all existing matter and space as a whole. The earth first, the earth and the planets. Again, I have also explained the earth and the planets, the stars, far and near comets and also galaxy and the small insects. Here it's surrounding the earth, small insects, dust, visible and invisible things all comprise the universe. Nobody knows how big is the universe. The shape and the size of the universe is unknown to all. Many scientists think that there is no beginning and ending of the universe. Yes, their opening is the right. Basically, there's no any beginning and or the ending of the universe. Again, some people believe that the universe has the size and shape. Humans are discovering new information about the universe now and then. It's also all time. Again, but much of it is still beyond knowing. However, the unknowing will continue forever. Now, although many things are not known to us, the scientists think that a lot of elements of the universe are scattered here and there in the outer space. The existence of matters in some parts of the universe is higher than another part. The matters concentrated on a large volume in some parts of the universe is called galaxy. Now we are also again the galaxy or star world. What's the meaning of the galaxy? Galaxy is a large group of planets and stars. Yes, and our Earth exists in the galaxy of Milky Way. The another name, whereas the Earth is the state, the another name is the Milky Way. There are crores of galaxies in the universe where exist crores of stars. But I have no any idea. Actually, in the Earth, in the human, they have no any idea how many stars and how many universe are state in the universe. Now, the galaxies move in groups in the outer space, in the bees fly, in the biosphere, in groups. The stars of the galaxy seem very near in comparison to the unlimited outer space. But it is not true. They are so far from one another. Let us think about the distance among them. We know that light runs about 0.3 million kilometers wave per second. Now, the distance between the Earth and the Sun is also the about 150 million kilometers. Yes, the 150 kilometers. And the sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth. Here the sunlight is also reach the 8 minutes and the 20 seconds. It's also the figures, please everyone underline these lines. Again, on the other hand, the sunlight takes more than 4 years to reach Alpha Centauri, the nearest star from the sun. Light takes a few million of years to reach from a farthest star to another farthest star. Now you can realize that what is the distance from one star to another star and how mammoth they have also explained how mammoth the universe is. Now the solar system exists in the galaxy named Milky Way. The stars are seen twinkling and shining from the earth. Each of the stars is a mass of burning gas and so it has light and heat. We have also know this structure. Basically, each of the stars is a mass of burning gas and so it has light and heat. The stars in the space are classified in three colors: red, indigo and yellow. In the stars, they are basically three colors. First is the red, second is the yellow and third is the indigo. In the stars, they are classified basically three categories. Here's the red. The biggest stars are in red color, mediums are yellow and small stars are indigo. Now, how the universe is created. From the available evidence on the age of the universe, astronomers think that the universe started with a massive explosion. This is called the Big Bang. Again, another name is the Big Bang theory. You have also know the Stephen Hawking. He is a great scientist in this world. He have also explained the Big Bang. Yes, it happened about 15 million years ago. Again, a huge explosion sent everything racing outwards in all directions. Before the Big Bang, everything was packed incredibly close together to a point of high temperature and density. Over time, it has expanded into the universe we see today. When scientists look at distant galaxies, they see that other galaxies are moving away from our galaxy. More distant galaxies are moving away faster. In fact, all the galaxies are moving away from each other. We say that the universe is expanding. Now, the natural planet or satellite. The galaxy to which we belong, is the Milky Way. In this Milky Way, the Sun is located along with its family members. Here's the Sun is the main structure and also the located along with the family members. They together form the solar system where the eight planets are revolving round the Sun. The objects which revolve round the Sun are called planets. Again, these planets are first is the Mercury. Again, first is the Mercury, second is the Venus, third is the Earth, fourth is the Mars, and five is the Jupiter, six is the Saturn, seven is the Uranus, and eight is the Neptune. My dear students, they are also the solar system, and they in the name of the solar system. Again, I also repeat the Mercury, the Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Some of the planets have more than one satellite. Yes, I have also explained in this Earth, this structure is the Earth. Three whole structure Earth, and they have also the another satellites, the Moon. Again, some of the planets have more than one satellite. The objects which revolve around the planets are called satellites. Now, we have also learned what's the meaning of the satellites. What's the explain? The objects which revolves around the planets are called satellites. For example, the Moon is revolving round the Earth and the Earth satellite. So, the Earth is a planet of the Sun and the Moon is a satellite of the Earth. Do the activity below and you will understand the motion of planets and satellites. My dear students, In the activity, I have also explained the activity understanding about the motion of the planets and satellites. Methodology. Stand in an open space. Ask one of your friends to stand at a definite position. Draw a big circle with your friend at the center. You take your position at one point on the circumference of the circle. Ask another to your friends to move in a similar circle with you at the center. Now, if you move in the bigger circle with your first friend at the center of the circle and your second friend revolves around the smaller circle with you at its center, your first friends can be taken as the sun. You can be considered the earth and your second friend can be considered the moon. Is it also interesting play game? My dear students, today I have just also selected the universe, how the universe is defined and the universe is created and natural planets or satellites. I hope that's all today. Thank you.